So in this video we will see polymorphism in Python. So let's see what is it in detail. So here you can see polymorphism means having many form, means same class method can work differently for different object, like a class method like speaking animal class. I created a dog class and a cat class from animal class, but class speaking method of animal class for object cat will be meow, and speaking class for speaking method of class animal for dog object will be like paw paw. So this is like this. So there are basically two type of polymorphism. First is operator level polymorphism. In this, a object work differently for different object. Here operator will be it is operator OP or ETO, or a operator work differently for different object. And second one is functional level polymorphism. So here a function work differently for different object. So how? So like you want you see that operator which are plus minus, these are some operators Python have. Plus have, it has minus, it has divide, it has multiply, it has power as well, it has a modulus as well. Where is modulus? uh, it has modulus as well, and all, minus equal to and plus equal to, these are assigning operator, and equal to, and some other operator as well, which are used to perform some operations on object or operator. So so these operator work differently for different type of data, different type of object. Like one is also object, and two is also object. Let's see which type of object. One is type of one, so it is int object. Let's print it. If it is a print object, it is int object created using which class? Just let's see. It is class, it belongs to in class, but it object is one. Object one is created using int class. So now, and two is, and you can see two is also belong to int class, three also belong to int class. So operator level polymorphism is nothing but these operators work differently for different type of object. So if we add integer number, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So these operators, so if we want to add string, so add a, then add b. So these a and b belongs to string class. So how it will add, how plus operator will work? So here you can see plus operator work differently for string object and work differently for int object. And also you can here this object, this list object 1, 2 and 3. So plus 1, 2, 3, plus 2, 4 and 6. Now let's see what it is also adding in this. So you can see this plus operator work differently for list object and work differently for b object, string object, and work differently for string object. Let's see if you can say that this is not object. This is not object of int class, so just print it. So here you can, here, so you can see this is belongs to string class. It is object belongs to string class. So you can say this is not object. So just think, just pass here type of, so this is object belongs to list class. So here you see that what is a operator level polymorphism. Now check this out, what is functional level of polymorphism. So in this, a function work differently for different object. Like I create a class, animal class, and animal class, and creating constructor in it. Uh, its name and its sound self.name is name, then self dot sound is sound, and we are not passing self here, so just pass self. Define now this function method, a class method, a sound, its sound, its sound, its sound. This is method, and pass self, and print uh, its sound, self dot sound, just self dot sound, self dot sound, its sound, self dot sound. Now create a cat class. So creating class cat class from animal class. So its name is cat actually, and its sound is meow 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 meow. And also create a dog class from animal. It is dog actually, and paw. This is two object created from cat, and dog created from animal object. Now let's see a method cat dot its sound, now you can see here cat dot its sound is working differently for cat object and for dog object. It is working differently or not, let's check this out. Yeah, so this method and this function, we can say this function is working differently for Bobo class and for dog class, and for cat class. And some functions are like a del function, del statement, passing del statement. Some functions are like range function. Range functions are working differently for string, like 1 2 3. This is a string, so it is not returning anything. So range function is not returning anything, and for this type of object passing integer value, so it is returning something. So here you can see, here also you can see that range function work differently for different type of object. For integer type of object, it is returning ranges, and for string type of object, it is raising an error. So again, one more is a range of list. List is 1 comma 2 comma 3. So it will raise error again. So this is how polymorphism and operator polymorphism is, and operator level polymorphism and functional level polymorphism are defined under Python. So I think this is enough for this session, and in next session we will see how we can work with files like we are going to work with CSV file, we will work with the Excel file, we will work with a text file. So what is file? So file is actually it store data permanently. Here you can see these are not stored permanently. If I close this program and I will come here again, so these memories will be erased. For this, I have to execute all this again. Then I will see that yeah, here it is. These are stored in memory. So file is nothing but uh, data which permanently stored in our computer, or we can say in our disk. So I think this is enough. Thanks for watching.